Welcome students. Today professional English for second semester Arts and Social Science Unit 1 reading activity. Okay, here warm up, they have given a reading activity, that is warm up. Thinking about our country, what are its specialities? Okay, I'll tell you the page number. It is to page number 21. Okay, page number 22. What are its specialities? In our country we have some specialities, isn't it? That is biggest democracy in the world, unity in diversity, motherland of ancient greats like astronomers Aryabhatta, Varahamihira, and physician Suchitra. The country with the longest written constitution, land of colorful festivals and celebration. So you need to think about this. Okay, here they have given a reading activities. Okay, you must think about it and what are its specialities. Okay, here they have given a few words to warm up yourself, that is to find out the meaning for these words. Okay, match the following words with their meaning. You must match it. These are all the things you have studied in your plus 2 itself, like what is meant by democracy, communism, autocracy, republicanism, socialism. Okay, here we have a reading first, that is a passage. Peruse the following passage and answer the following questions. So here they have given some reading practice. We need to read, and whenever we read, what we will do after that, we will answer what are the questions, isn't it? Here they have given a crop groups. In crop groups, that is a kharif crops. Kharif crops is also called as summer crops. They are sown before the onset of the rainy season from May to July and harvest after the rains in September and October. Rice and millets are major kharif crops of India. Okay. Next, rabi crops. Rabi crops are also called winter crops. They are sown in the beginning of winter season from October to December and harvest before the summer season from February to April. Wheat, barley and oil seeds, mustard and rabi crops. Next, zaid crops. These are the short duration crops grown after the harvest of the kharif or rabi crops before the next major season. The crops sown in February to April and harvest by June and July are called the zaid rabi crops. Okay. Green vegetables are main crops of this season. Similarly, after the harvest of kharif crops in September are grown some crops to be harvested before sowing the rabi crops in November and December. They are called zaid kharif crops. Oil seeds and some pulses are grown in this season. Next, food crops. Food crops, what is meant by food crops? That is, see, these are the crops that serve as food, and all food grains and pulses and most oil seeds are included. They can be further divided as food grains, pulses, oil seeds and beverages. Food grains. These are grains consumed in various forms by man. The most important food grains in India are rice, wheat, maize, jowar and bajra. See, here we don't know what are the crops, isn't it? We usually eat the foods. We usually eat the food, but here see how the crop groups, how they have divided the crop groups. See here, next is pulses. The important pulses grow in India include gram, mug, urud and mazoon. They are also grain crops, but they are not the staple food of the people. Oil seeds. These crops yield seeds from which oil is expelled. Mustard, rapeseed, groundnut, linseed and castor are the example. Beverages. The most important beverage crops of India are tea and coffee. Subsistence crops. These crops are grown primarily for own consumption by farmers and only a small portion enters the market. Cultivation of rich in West Bengal is an example of subsistence cropping. Commercial crops, also called cash crops, they are grown mainly for the market. Cotton and sugarcane are important commercial crops. Next, plantation crops. In some cases, the crop is planted once and it provides yield for many years. Such plantation are managed like an industry. Tea, coffee, rubber, coconut, and spices are example of such crops. Spices: pepper, cardamom, red chili, and turmeric are examples of spices. Fiber crops, also grown as cash crops. This group includes the plant that yield fibers, jute, and cotton or fiber crops. Fodder crops, these are crops harvested generally when green and used as cattle fodder. Basim is one example of such a crop. Okay, see, these are all the 14 divided division of crops, isn't it? See, here they have given you some questions, around 10 questions they have given you. You need to answer those questions. You try to answer those questions. If not, means you read again the passage, sure you will be able to answer for this question. Next, reading passage 2, that is pre-reading activity. What is pre-reading activity? It is generally said that the heartbeat of a notion is heard in its literature. Study of literature both teaches and delights. Reading of literary texts generally greatly helps people improve their language skills and it provides them with happiness as well. There are many interesting literary genres like poetry, short story, novel, drama, and all. Which writer's work have you read? What are the interesting aspects of those works? Which writer or a poet impress you very much and why? After the reading of a literary work, be it novel or poetry or short story, discuss its various aspects with your friend. Okay, see, pre-reading activity. When we take a literature, no, it is a very important for us if we are studying a BA English, isn't it? So here the study of literature, what? It teaches both, teaches as well as delight. So we are studying for our happiness as well as we are able to teach clearly. And reading capacity, it will also improve our language skill and it gives some happiness too. So here we have so many, in literature we have so many genres like poetry, short story, novel, drama, and so on. So here in these things we need to find out which writer's work we have read and why we have read and what is the interesting aspect in that. So these are all the things we need to think it. Next, reading state and government. So here they have given you what is meant by government as well as what is meant by state. Government is often used as a synonym for the state, but both the government and states are two different entities. There are difference between the state and the government. What is meant by state? State consists of population, territory, government, and sovereignty. State possesses originally powers. State is permanent and continues forever. State is abstract and invisible. But government is a part of the state. Powers of government are derived from the state. Government is temporary. It may come and go. Government is concrete and is visible. So these are the difference between. So from this they can ask you the question for university. Branches of government and their functions. See, what are the branches we need to know. According to Professor Lashki, lawmaking is not the only function of the legislature, but it is a real function is to watch the process of administration to safeguard the liberties of citizen. அதாவது கவர்மெண்ட் அப்படின்னா என்னென்னா, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்கே வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, அக்கார்டிங் டு ப்ரொஃபஸர் லாஸ்கி என்ன சொல்கிறாருன்னா, லா மேக்கிங், அதாவது லா மேக்கிங்கிறது வந்து யார் பண்ணுவா? இட் இஸ் நாட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆஃப் த legislature, but it is a real function. They must think about the liberties of citizen and they must make a law, isn't it? That is a government. And the legislature of the union is called the parliament in India. So that legislature is called what? Parliament. It consists of two chambers, that is a Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. There are 545 members in Lok Sabha and 260 members in Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha gets dissolved every 5 years, but Rajya Sabha is permanent. The term of a Lok Sabha MP is 5 years, whereas in the case of Rajya Sabha it is 6 years. The first speaker of the independent India is Mavalankar. Okay, see next, this is the what? Branches of government and its function is power and functions of the executive. enforcing law and maintaining peace and order, maintaining friendly relation with other states, making appointments to higher posts, convening the session of the legislature, and conducting business, issuing ordinance whenever the legislature is not in session. Power to grant pardon, reprieve or remission of punishment, and the importance function of the executive. Okay, see here they have given a powers and function of executive. Next, powers and functions of legislator. See, powers and functions of legislator here they have given. Next, powers and functions of judiciary, important function of judiciary. Next, types of government, that is a parliament and presidential. Next, constitution, purpose of the constitution, and here they have given the vocabulary. A is the meaning for the vocabulary, and B, which is considered to be the mother of parliament. You need to answer the questions for this B questions and compare a state and government. We have a comparison, isn't it? Difference between. State whether the following statement are true or false. See students, see, I have read one example and I have explained, isn't it, regarding the crops. So you need to you must read this second passage and you try to answer it. Okay, state and government, you try to answer it by reading the questions. Sure, it will be easy for you. Okay, next we will see writing. When we write, what is a very important? Here they have given pre-writing, that is, find out the meaning of following idioms and make sentences by using them. So here they have given you the idioms and meaning also. Build castle in the air, to indulge in daydreaming without doing any work. அதாவது பில் காசல் இந்த ஏர் அப்படின்னா, அதாவது டே ட்ரீம், கனவு காண்றது சொல்லுவோம்ல பகல்ல, அதுக்கு தான் இந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு மீனிங் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. பிரிங் ஹோம் த பேக்கன், டு earn money to take care of one's family, அதான் அதுக்கூட மீனிங். எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்கே சென்டென்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இங்கே நம்மளுக்கு எக்ஸசைஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இங்கே பாருங்கள், அரௌண்ட் 5 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, இந்த இடியம்ஸ்க்கு வந்து நம்ம ஃப்ரேசஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சி அதை எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் வந்து எழுதணும். Look at the following pictures related to Egypt. Do you know this historic significance? Write about them briefly. ஸோ இங்கே நம்மளுக்கு வந்து சில பிக்சர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இந்த பிக்சர்ஸ் ஏற்ற மாதிரி நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணலாம், நீங்கள் எழுதலாம். இங்கே வந்து பாருங்கள், அதாவது ரைட்டிங் ஆக்டிவிட்டியில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து என்ன கொடுப்பாங்கன்னா இடியம்ஸ், அதாவது நம்ம எப்படி வேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்ற ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு இடியம்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு அதை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இந்த பிக்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொடுத்து பாருங்கள், மம்மி பிக்சர்ஸ் இருக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து கேபிட்டல் ஆஃப் ஈஜிப்ட், நெக்ஸ்ட் பிரமிட், சூஸ் கெனால், நைல் ரிவர், இந்த மாதிரிலாம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு மேக் அ சம்மரி ஆஃப் த ஃபாலோயிங் பேசேஜ், அதாவது இதை படிச்சுட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், சம்மரி கொடுக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ரைட் கிரியேட்டிவ்லி அபவுட் த ஃபாலோயிங் பிக்சர்ஸ் இன் ஃபியூ சென்டென்ஸ், அதாவது இந்த இடத்துல வந்து ரைட்டிங் அ பேசேஜ், பட் இங்கே வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம், க்ரியேட்டிவாக இந்த பிக்சர்ஸ்க்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி ஃபியூ சென்டென்ஸ், அதாவது ஷார்ட் அண்ட் ஸ்வீட்டாக எழுதணும். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் த ரைட்டிங் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ். ஸோ ரீடிங் அண்ட் ரைட்டிங். Okay, next we will go for the next unit in the next video. If you like this video, kindly give a like and share among your friends. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.